In this video, I am going to teach you how to find your seed phrase on Coinbase Wallet quickly and securely. This phrase is your only way to recover your crypto if you lose access to your wallet. Make sure to follow each step carefully and never share your seed phrase with anyone. Let's get started. First, open the Base application on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the correct wallet. Next, tap on Settings at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open your wallet preferences. Then, in the list of options, select Show Recovery Phrase. This is where you can view your 12-word backup phrase. After that, input your wallet password to verify your identity. This step is for security purposes. It will automatically show your recovery phrase. But for this video, I'll keep it hidden to protect my wallet. Make sure you write yours down and store it in a safe place. And that's how to find your seed phrase on Coinbase Wallet. If this helped you out, be sure to like this video and subscribe to How to Tutor for more crypto tips. See you next time!